Hello, my name is Alex KirkHart, and welcome to my Be an Expert project. I chose to do my Be an Expert project on computers. I will show you the computer I built over quarantine, kind of, and what the parts are and what they do. Here is the computer. I'll show you what it looks like when it's turned on in the end. But first up is the CPU, the central processing unit, which is underneath the fan, which is the CPU cooler, which keeps it from overheating. The CPU is like the brain of the computer, so it makes everything go and what makes my computer work and have like Windows 10. Next up is the SSD. It's this card right here underneath this wire, right here on my finger. And the SSD stands for the solid state drive. It's a drive that stores all of your data, and it's also used for other things, but that's what I use it for. There's also this fan right down here that also helps cool off the other parts in the PC. Next is RAM, the random access memory. The random access memory helps you for multitasking on the computer, so it can make it go faster. And it also looks really cool when it lights up in the PC. This is the GPU, or the graphics processing unit. And like in the name, it makes your graphics get better. And it also makes your FPS raise, which is basically frames per second. And it just makes your screen look better. Next is the power supply, which is this big box here. This big box. And it powers every single one of the parts with the exact amount of energy that it needs. Down here is the Wi-Fi card. I don't really use that. I use this box for Ethernet, but this is for Wi-Fi. And underneath the RAM and the CPU cooler is the motherboard with all these like random dots on it. That's the motherboard, and it holds everything together. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like turned on. So I basically just have to flip this switch right here to the line. And then a couple lights light up yellow on the motherboard. And then I click this button, and these will light up too. And the fans start whirring, and the RAM will light up, rainbow. Yep, like that. And like whenever I'm playing video games, sometimes in the middle of the night or in the morning, this is what I see. Thank you for watching my Be an Expert project.